Hey everybody, welcome back to Runawayrack211. Today we go on another West Palm Beach railfanning right by my area. And we caught tri-rail P637, but with an F40PH. And that was actually TRCX 811. We actually got a double shots of him and some parked Herzog cars right by a neighborhood that I think is very interesting and you'll probably enjoy. Try one. Alright, so right by this neighborhood over here, we found these ballast cars. Right by here. I just wanted to show you guys. There's probably a yard behind here. More Herzogs. First one, yep, these are loaded. I could tell by here. It's loaded Herzog cars. Yeah, this is actually pretty cool. And I cut my foot on some pricklies.